Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be shooting off into the other studio and it's portrait day today. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step on the late great Sean Connery. I'm going to give you a full step-by-step. These are going to be slide images, so you'll see the process all the way through these steps, guys, and then at the end of the video I'll give you a little talk through on how I did it, techniques that I used. So I'll see you in a bit, guys.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning. Vultures are circling me around it. I need to fight. I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see.
There you go, guys, there's the finished picture. Hope you caught enough and got a lot out of this video. I know it's only a short video, guys, but these are stills that I'm working from, and I can give you a little talk through at the end of these videos on how I did it. So we started off on the Sean Connery portrait. We've done a very light pencil outline, and as you've seen in them clips, I started working the tones around the face, just going in very lightly with the skin tones, building them up, and then we dropped the eyes in. And then we worked up, we got the hair done, the eyebrows put in, and then we started moving down, putting darker tones in, working down the picture. We've dropped the gun in at the side and just dropped these parts of the suit in the dicky bow, and then you've got the other part of the jacket there, the shirt coming round. So that's the finished piece. All my portraits are available, guys. These are the originals, these are available, and I can get prints of these as well. Got loads more portraits coming up as well, guys, so if there's any that you like, drop some comments below. I'll get back to you, we'll have a little chat, and I can get these posted out. It's not a problem at all. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. A big welcome to all the new subscribers, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.
Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I